No one should ever use hot Cheetos to dye slime.
But we will.
Because we're testing the craziest things that dye slime, including mustard, soy sauce, and much, much more. But we're starting with our cleanest item of the day, dish soap. Nothing too crazy, but as the video moves on, the items will get crazier and crazier. Do you think this will work?
IDK, but let's just put a hole in it so it doesn't go crazy and die.
All right, soap.
That was weird. It might dye the slime. Think it might. Yeah,
it might. Wait, it's activating it.
Let's keep mixing.
Okay. It's not really dyeing the slime though. It's over-activating it. Did it dye the slime?
No, but it activated and it feels much better than before.
Wow. Yep, it didn't dye it. Next, grape juice. All right, so.
It's childproof. Don't explode, don't explode.
Oh, wait, why does it smell like that?
Oh God.
No, we got this. It smells.
Are you sure this isn't wine and all grape juice?
It doesn't smell good. Okay, I actually do see a little bit of color difference.
Let me mix.
Don't hit me. Ugh.
Ew.
Why?
Ew, you.
Ew, you.
Ew, you.
It is dyeing our slime, but not very well.
Let me do a bubble.
Okay, I never said you couldn't. Did the grape juice dye the slime?
Technically, yes. It is a very light shade of purple.
Next, cherries. Now this one has to dye slime, right? Ready?
Open it.
Ooh, do you like the smell of cherries?
Bro! Ew, was that Alex that just farted? Can I like taste it?
No.
Like,
no.
take the one right here and
No.
like...
It's making it pink. Also, why is it? Stop. Look what we got here.
We got a pink overactivated slime.
So, the cherries.
Dyed it pink when it's red.
Do cherries dye slime, Meadow?
Yes. Yes.
All right, next, soy sauce.
It's probably gonna dye the slime brown.
It's gotta dye the slime, right? Oh, that is strong.
Can I pour in?
Sure. Careful, it goes both ways. Oh, wow. Mix.
Mixy.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
It smells really good.
Does it?
I got soy sauce on me, so I'm licking it off.
Dude, don't. Don't. Ew, that is so gross. Catch.
I'll catch it this time.
Catch.
Okay, good.
Nice. So what color would you say that is?
Tan. The color of your skin. Yummy.
Meadow. That is so gross, Meadow.
Yummy.
Meadow? Nope. Paper towel, please. Meadow, does soy sauce dye slime?
Yes.
Ah! Coffee grounds.
I can do it. You're too lame. I can do it. Okay, I'm pouring it in.
All right.
Bowl.
Okay.
You never told me when to stop.
Oh wow, that's dyeing it way too well.
This was your idea, Alex, not mine.
Bubble. All right, Meadow, does coffee dye slime?
Yes.
Catch. No. All right, next.
Highlighters. Bring up the highlighters.
Highlighters.
Let's aggressively open the... Let's pick yellow.
Let's pick yellow. That's a good choice.
They're all yellow. Here you go, sir. We're just gonna dip it in. Yeah, and like draw. Like draw happy faces and draw anything.
It works really well. That's so odd. Is that poop? Let's just draw everywhere, It's working really well.
More.
It's gonna take forever.
You're gonna do a lot today, bud. If I see one spot gone, you're getting a whooping.
Oh, okay. It's like greenish. It didn't even come out like yellow highlighter. Woo! No.
Oh, look at my hand. Does highlighter dye slime?
Yes, it does.
He's finally useful for once.
Silly string. Will it dye slime?
I
That's
don't
the
know.
question.
Let's see.
Make sure you're only shooting there.
Okay, well.
What the heck? I think it's out.
You better come out.
Oh.
I knew it wasn't out.
All right, let's mix it in now. Oh, this is awful. It doesn't really integrate with the slime very well, and it smells really bad.
I'm not letting this stop me from being Gordon Ramsay. Did silly string dye slime?
It did not. Next up, Kool-Aid.
Never do this at home.
We definitely need gloves for this. Why is this happening though?
It has citric acid.
Because it has citric acid, and citric acid does what to slime?
Melts down the slime and breaks down the polymers.
You can immediately see
Look at what it's doing.
the slime is getting slimy and sticky, breaking down.
The polymers in the slime.
True. So I'm gonna try to mix this. It will not work.
It will not.
Technically it dyed the slime, but it took the slime and turned it into something else. So it took this slime, it reversed it back into glue.
And deleted all of its polymers.
We have to talk about if it dyed the slime, but the thing is we don't have slime anymore. So does it dye slime?
Nope.
Correct.
Do not try this at home.
Mustard. Just don't add too much.
Ew, the sound.
That was
sound.
more than enough.
That sounded so weird.
What are we doing? Oh my gosh.
This was your idea, not mine.
Gross.
If you squeeze it like that, it's about to pop out.
Oh no. I actually can't do this. I'm gonna throw up.
I will do it.
Go for it.
Are you? Do you want me
I'm
to put it
so
in your
grossed out.
face?
No. If you do that, I swear I will never film again. Oh gosh.
Oh god, my gloves.
It doesn't really work.
Very satisfying though.
Is this satisfying to you? Okay, well,
You're about
I guess we have to
vomit.
ask the question, does mustard dye slime?
No, because it's not time anymore.
Correct. And next, Flaming Hot Cheetos. Flamin' Hot Cheetos in slime. What do you think's gonna happen?
I don't know.
I think it's gonna dye the slime, and I don't think it's gonna overactivate it, but I think it'll be like a crunchy slime. Ugh.
I can't even like crunch it. Don't add all of them. I want the rest.
Meadow, don't. Please don't. Please don't. Please don't. That's really gross. Now,
See?
crush. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, I don't know about this.
You.
It's working, and it's a crunchy slime. No, no eating. Do not eat.
Okay, I'm trying to.
But look, it's pink.
Why is it not red?
Listen. Oh, wow. It's like a jelly cube. It's like a jelly cube slime. That's crazy. This actually worked. Is this not surprising to you?
No.
This is actually crazy to me. This doesn't blow your mind?
No. Definitely not.
It smells,
Incredible.
I don't know about incredible. Okay, crunchy, pink, hot Cheetos slime.
Oh, what happened?
Whoa.
What is that supposed to be?
That is hot Cheetos slime. Meadow, does hot Cheetos dye slime?
Yes. That looks very dusty, musty.
Oh!
Thank you all so much for watching. If you haven't already, click the like button as it really does help out our channel. And please be sure to subscribe and click the bell to turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos. We are posting every Friday and these videos will keep getting better and better. With that being said, we'll see you all next week.